Hey guys, we're here finally. Where's Noah? Aziz. Sweetheart, I'm glad to see you.
Please with the diet, you know, I died boy. Who died? He died those
Yeah, he's looking good, yeah.
Sally,
it's been a while. I haven't seen my brother like yeah. Oh, so nice.
Huh? So you're going to go home, but
guys, I hope you guys you do not have anything that stress you guys on the way. Wondering how Aziz got with Ko before we even met her? Let's rewind. He was so quick, he ran past immigration, under the rope, and out into Ghana. Lucky his auntie was waiting. Kids these days. Hello, handsome. Hello. Baby. Look at me. Let's get back to it, shall we?
Airbnb or hotel?
Oh, it's a hotel.
It's a hotel.
It's a hotel, yeah. It's a hotel.
That's around,
let me put my seatbelt on. It's around 10, yeah? It's 21 minutes. I know it's like 14 minutes, so with traffic it's 21 minutes. How much are you charging us?
That is 200 cedis.
200.
That's what the shuttle also say. The shuttle from the airport is 200.
No, you airport taxi, you pay for the car park.
Airport taxi, you pay for the car park.
Yeah. It's not expensive.
No. Airport shuttle, they charge us 200. We should have even gone with that. You remember? Uber was only 38 Ghana cedis.
No, Uber is different from airport taxi. They are using Ghana here. They are using small cars.
For Uber?
Yes.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. The small ones, eh?
Yeah.
The small taxi like this one.
Yeah, like this one.
I'll give you 100.
It's not good.
No, 100 is good.
No, it's not good.
I'll give you 100.
I'll give you 100. Ghana is not good. Ghana here, 100 is not you.
I'll give you 100 Ghana cedis.
Ghana is nothing here. Yeah, Mr. You are going to give me a Christmas gift to me.
Okay, for you to bring it. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. But that is expensive. You know, we have our shuttle. They do 200. You know.
Is it?
You know our hotel. They do 200 for the shuttle. And you want to charge us 200 too. And guess what? Guess what? When we are going back, they're supposed to even come and drop us off again.
No.
That is like in the whole 200 is all included. I'll give you 100.
No, it's not good.
No, I'll give you 100, bro.
Yeah, it's not good, bro.
I'll give you 100.
That's our fare.
No, bro, I'll give you 100. Let's go.
Even that place, the traffic.
I know, it was 14 minutes and now it's 21, but it's not bad. 14 to 21 is not that bad. That's the Kente building, eh?
Which one?
That one there, the one that looks like
Villaggio.
No, they call it Villaggio, yes? Wow, it's nice. Tessie is another suburb, is it? It's a different suburb, huh?
How are you actually? Yeah, they are doing some promotion.
Oh, what are they doing there? Yes, the Christmas thing.
Yeah, because of this Christmas.
Oh, okay.
The people are selling some goods.
Oh, bro, you don't care being on the video or anything like that, yeah? the Palace Mall there. Oh, good. Look at the Palace Mall. Good. There's another mall here. Wow. Park Square. Oh, Palace Mall. Wow. We have Springfield, Telefonica, Christmas. They're all preparing for Christmas and New Year's. Wow, Christmas and New Year's is big in Ghana. Wow. Aziz, welcome home. This is home. Africa is home.
Yeah,
I'm talking to my son. Yeah.
In Ghana, in cheese, AKWAABA.
AKWAABA.
AKWAABA, welcome.
Welcome, eh? AKWAABA. Yeah, AKWAABA. Yeah, I know AKWAABA.
Same as us.
That is same as yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, eh? Welcome and thank you. AKWAABA and Vedase.
Yeah.
AKWAABA and Vedase. I love Ghana. Ghana is my second home. Oh, you have Michelle Obama there. Sal, look. He has Michelle Obama there. Yeah.
I think it's your number.
Wow. How much is this anyway? Oh wow. Ghana is here. Wow. Traffic is crazy. Wow, look, we are not even too far from the airport. Wow. You see all the roadworks? There's a lot of roadworks happening in Ghana. A lot of roadworks. You missed it. Now you're alright. This is all roadworks here, guys. My family is zoomed out.
So guys, we stayed at Koko Palm Inn and we'll be doing another video just on Koko Palm. But I gotta say, this is one of the best places we stayed in. This hotel is owned by an African American, Jeff, who is absolutely amazing. So thank you, Jeff, for an amazing stay. And guys, stay tuned for the video about this hotel and for more deets.
Oh, this is the hallway to our room. Soon you'll see our bags. Oh, it has a painting up here. It has this nice painting up here. This is the hallway. These are our bags. Wow, I like the artwork on this place. Yeah, this is the artwork. Oh, these are other rooms. Wow. Man, this place is nice. These are other rooms. Artwork. This is all our bags. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Wow. This is one of the rooms. Wow. Wow, look at that. Damn. At least jump on the bed.
We booked 2 rooms at Koko Palm. This room was for Aziz, me, and Noah, and we got a single room for Ko. As you can see by the bags at the door, great service at this hotel. They brought our bags from the car for us. Like, top-notch place.
Guys, as you can see, this is our room right here. This is the room. Wow, nice. This is the room. I have my GoPro and I have my drone there ready. So we're taking our stuff off, and it's very It's very rough at the moment. That's my Wakanda shirt there hanging on the chair. And there's Aziz. Aziz, look. Wow, look what we're having. Aziz, look.
Look.
Hello, there you are. There you go. This is what we're having. We got this from our hotel. Yeah?
All right.
Ooh, look at this. This is like a fufu banku with crayfish. And I think it's chicken. And look at this. Wow, jollof rice with fish too. Man, we living the life in Ghana. Welcome to Ghana. And that's my wife there. Say hello, Sal.
Hello.
Oh, let me show you guys the balcony. This is our balcony. Yeah? Look at this apartment. Look at this apartment, bro. Look at this. This is in Ghana, bro. This is in Ghana. Look at Ghana, bro. You see? Wow. Look at the water. Look at everything. Nice. Look at Ghanaians and their house. These are just the neighbors next door. Bro, I'm gonna move to Ghana for sure, bro. I love Ghana. Bro, Ghana is my second home. I swear to God. Wow, look at this. We have you can sit outside here, chill, and walking. See, that's my foot there. Walking here.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.